Running a WordPress site and want to tap into the power of Buy Now Pay Later? In this video, I'll walk you through integrating Klarna payments with your WooCommerce store. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Adding Klarna to WooCommerce involves installing a dedicated plugin and configuring it with your merchant credentials, making it seamless for your customers to pay. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, Add New, and search for the official Klarna Payments for WooCommerce plugin. Install and activate the plugin. Once activated, you'll find a new Klarna Payments menu item within your WooCommerce settings. Here, you'll need to enter your Klarna merchant credentials, which you get from your Klarna representative. You can then configure settings like which countries to offer it in, the purchase type, pay in for, financing, etc., and how the payment gateway appears at checkout. Test the integration thoroughly in a staging environment before going live. A crucial pro tip: use the test credentials provided by Klarna to simulate transactions and ensure everything works perfectly. Offering Klarna can reduce cart abandonment, so make sure the checkout process is smooth and the Klarna option is clearly visible. And just like that, your WooCommerce store is now equipped with a leading payment solution. Integrating Klarna opens your business up to a wider, budget-conscious audience. Do you find plugin-based integrations easier than manual coding? Let me know in the comments. For a bigger marketplace, watch our next video on how to use Klarna at Amazon checkout. Thanks for watching.